Well, how about we take a look at what this hot-rodded Electrolux Marquise can do with the now new hot-rodded brush roll. So I'm going to go and clean just 1,000 square feet to try to make the numbers match all the other machines that just do 1,000 square feet. I'm not going to bother to do underneath anything in particular. And you should know that the last vacuum that was run, this is Saturday, the last vacuum that was run on Wednesday was the Centria 2 for the second floor and the Centria 1 for the first floor. And my wife, Ellie, actually ran those vacuums while I was up in Cleveland picking up my son's new car. So normally I would do the vacuuming and then make a recording, like say maybe with this machine, but I came home from Cleveland to find out that she had indeed used the Kirby's to vacuum. So I was unable to make this video a few days ago, but now I can do it, but realize that the machines that were run last several days ago were my best pickup machines. So that may or may not necessarily affect the test a whole lot, just letting you know that my best overall pickup machines were used the previous time. So in a very short time frame, I will be right back and we will go reweigh this bag and see what this manages to pick up with the hot-rodded brush roll. And I will do my best to try to make sure I don't pop too many wheelies. So I'm going to try to take it easy, but I'm going to vacuum at the same rate that I normally do. Just finished doing only 1,000 square feet. Tried my best not to go underneath anything. And let's see what this hot-rodded Electrolux managed to pick up. So my wife has over 2-foot long hair. Just so you can see this, this is where it bunches up. The air inlet literally is right there. So this isn't actually too bad, but this is what I have to pull out from the brush roll. But that's doing pretty much all of the second floor and all of the first floor with carpet. And I get that amount of hair I have to pick out. Look at that brush. That is one heavy-duty brush roll. And I do have to also mention this. So got this machine all together, turned it on, and this power nozzle, oh, and you can even see some of the dog hair that's kind of stuck to the top because it's plastic. That's just what you have. This power nozzle, literally on most but not all of my carpet, went forward all by itself. There's that much agitation in this new brush roll. It literally goes forward all by itself. Then when you go to pull it backwards, it's much more difficult. So you've got a lot more effort involved when you go backwards. But going forwards, I'm not kidding. I could just say hold the hose and just hold this with like just a finger, and this just went right across the carpet all by itself. So let's see, how much did we manage to pick up? Was it a dramatic improvement? Slight improvement? Let's get this thing folded again. I guess we'll go this way. So we started out at 58.98. And do we have an improvement here? Well, doesn't look like it. Let's see, 65.95, 94.95, that's good enough. Minus 58.98. So I'm at, for 1,000 square feet, 6.97. So I think maybe a slight improvement, but not really all that much. And it's a lot more agitation. Or it seems like it's a lot more agitation because the brush roll scoots forward all by itself. And remember, this machine isn't the regular Marquise with, say, around 1,000-watt motor. This motor runs almost around 1,400 watts. So it's about 400 watts or so more powerful. So we did what we can. We cranked up the agitation, and in the real world, it didn't really make all that much difference. But I tell you what, it was very interesting seeing this brush roll go forward by itself. Think your canister power nozzle has a lot of agitation? Well, compare it to this. That is a lot of agitation. As far as clamping down to the carpet, I guess it really felt about the same. And I don't know, I'd really probably recommend that if you have this PN6A, I'm going to sum this up and say stick with the original brush roll. That probably it might not be worth it, depending on what kind of carpet you have, to go with the new Uber design. Maybe just stick with a new brush roll of the original design. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.